Welcome to Ben Design.
HTML course. HTML editors. Write HTML using Notepad or TextEdit. Part 2. Write HTML using Notepad or TextEdit. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML we recommend a simple text editor like Notepad, PC, or TextEdit, Mac. We believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. Follow the steps below to create your first web page with Notepad or TextEdit. Step 1. Open Notepad, PC. Windows 8 or later. Open the Start screen, the Windows symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad. Windows 7 or earlier. Open Start Programs Accessories Notepad. Step 2. Write some HTML. Copy some HTML into Notepad. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Save the file on your computer. Select File Save As in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. You can use either .html or .html as file extension. There is no difference, it is up to you. Step 4. View the HTML page in your browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser, double-click on the file, or right-click, and choose Open With. The result will look much like this. Try it yourself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.